Okay, so let's watch it from the beginning.
You say you like the wind blowing through your hair. Come.
Okay, so I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my text on top of it. And typically, where I get my words or my verbiage is through ChatGPT. So I'm going to pull that up here. I've already got some quotes, forward conference quotes, and I'm going to do these. So I'm just going to go copy, move over here, paste. Let's do a white background, see what that looks like. Okay. I think I'm going to put it up a little bit. I don't know. We'll see how I play with it. All right. And that's not going to be for the whole thing. I'm going to do a few different quotes. So let's go back and let's do text again. I love that one. Every rep is a vote for the future version of yourself. So good. Okay. Next. Go back to text. These are my workout reels. You know what? Let me do my personal growth ones instead. Let's pivot there a little bit. So become the person who future requires. Okay. So let's go here and edit that. So select all and then paste to just delete it real fast. All right, let's go back and edit that. Just gotta edit a little bit, the formatting. Next one. Oh, I love this one. Comfort is expensive. That one's really good. All right, let's not overlap it. So you just move it a bit to get it to not overlap so it doesn't compete with the other one. We're going to shorten it a little bit. Okay, next one. All right, and I think I have room for making them longer. So it seems like we just have, there's just going to be a ton of quotes if I don't make them a little bit longer. So now we just click it, hold it, and drag it over. Let's just see how long we need to make it because it's a little bit longer there. So you just click and drag it over, however long you want to make this one show. So we'll just do it like that and then go back to the other one. And you can squeeze it to shorten it so you aren't having to scroll back and forth so much. And then just move this one, click and hold and drag it over so that you can make it longer. And then shorten it on the other end. Click and hold and drag it over. And then that should be the whole thing. Maybe I'll make this one longer too. And it's usually good about snapping into place. I don't know why this one went up there, but that doesn't really matter. Let's make this one a little bit shorter. We might have room for one more quote. So let's just move this one over a little bit. There we go. All right. And let's find one more quote. Let's do this one. All right, and then go back, add, and we're gonna put in that done. Let's do it to the end there. Okay, let's watch our video.
You say you like the way
Bye.
through your hair.
All right, there we go. Now, I'm not going to do anything else with it because I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to create this video. I'm downloading it now, and then you can upload it into Instagram.